So now friends, in this video we will learn about finding common data in two sheets through Power Query in Excel. So how we will do that? Let's see that. Like from two sheets, like go to our sheets here. In our sheets, like we have two sheets and we have to find the common data, you can say duplicate data, which is duplicate in both of the sheets. So how we can do that? Let's check it out. Like we have two sheets here, this one and this one, like two tables, sorry. In this sheet we have two tables, and from these two tables we have to find some common data. So how we can do that? Just check and see how we can do that. So for that, first of all, we have to convert this into a table. We will go to data, and from table, and it will convert it into the table. This is our first table, and our Power Query editor will open, and in this Power Query editor, this is our table 1. Now we have this in table 1, and now we have to close and load this and convert it into a hyperlink, or you can say that create a connection with it. Only create a connection. This time we have created connection with this sheet 1. So this is the connection of sheet 1. Then we will go to our table table second, and then again we will go to data and then convert it into a table, my table as a header, okay, and also convert it into a connection. Connection is basically creating a link with that table. So we are not loading it, close, and we are not doing close and load. We are going to close and load and convert it into a connection here. Only create a connection, okay, load. So now we have two tables connected, and what we need to do, we go to the data here again, and from data in new query we will go to combine queries and merge. So after clicking on merge, a new window will appear, and from here we have to take the table 1, and from here we have to take the table 2. So we have taken both table and select each column of table one by one. First this, second this, like press Control from your keyboard and click on first name, then last name, then product, then city, then phone, then age. Similarly in the second table, first name, last name, product, and it should be in a sequence, like if whichever you select first here, similarly you have to select first here, and second and third and fourth. Now we will go to join kind, and from join kind we can take inner only matching rows. Inner only matching rows we have to take, and then like it's make a connection, like it's a right click here, then we will click OK. So after clicking OK, so we have an output here which include our connected area, and what we need to do, these show the tables here. So I go there, and we don't need that, so we'll remove this. So we have a data here which are your, you can say, which is our duplicate or which is common data in sheets. And now we will go close and load. So after clicking on close and load, we have here in a new sheet we have our common data. So whatever change we will make there, like suppose I will take this and copy this in our this sheet, like if I will, sorry, and then I will go there, and if I will copy this in this sheet, and then I will go to our Power Query data and just refresh it, so it will be automatically added in our sheet. So this is the thing which will happen, like whatever changes we will make in our source data and make change with that, so that data will automatically be added. Like I will take the second data here, like Control C this, and just copy this here, like Rohit Walia, and just go to our this sheet, and here Rohit Walia is not there, and then I will press refresh. So we have a Rohit Walia in both the sheets. Wherever it is duplicate, it show all the data there. So this way we can connect both the data. So that's all in this video for finding out like common data in different sheets.